What if you want a Hyundai Creta, but with 7 seats? That's exactly what the Alcazar offers. But in 2025, is it really worth your money? Or should you go for something bigger like the Innova or Safari instead? Let's find out. Hyundai launched the Alcazar as a bigger, more family-oriented version of the Creta. The 2025 model now comes with design upgrades, new features, and a more premium cabin experience. But with so many 7-seater SUVs in the market, does the Alcazar really stand out from the competition? Let's see. From the outside, the Alcazar looks familiar. It carries the same DNA as the Creta, but in a longer, more elegant body. The 2025 facelift brings connected LED DRLs, new alloy wheel designs, and sleeker connected tail lamps at the rear. Overall, it looks premium and stylish, though not as rugged or intimidating as the Tata Safari or Toyota Innova Hycross. The Alcazar leans more towards sophistication than aggression, perfect for families who prefer elegance over bulk. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels truly luxurious. You get a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, a 360-degree camera, a Bose premium audio system, and even captain seats in the higher variants. The 2025 Alcazar also gets ADAS safety features, a large touchscreen with digital driver display, and excellent overall ergonomics. Everything feels refined, comfortable, and built for modern urban families who value convenience and comfort over pure performance. Under the hood, you get two engine choices: a 1.5-liter turbo petrol and a 1.5-liter diesel. Both engines are smooth, refined, and efficient, but they're not as powerful as what you'll find in SUVs like the XUV 700 or the Safari. The Alcazar focuses more on ride comfort, quiet performance, and good fuel economy, making it a great companion for long highway drives and daily city use alike. The Alcazar 2025 is priced between 16 lakh rupees and 21 lakh rupees ex-showroom. That makes it significantly more affordable than the Toyota Innova Hycross, and a smart option for families who want a premium 7-seater. Without spending too much, it delivers a strong mix of practicality, luxury, and value. As for safety, official crash test ratings for the 2025 Alcazar are not yet available. The Alcazar shares its platform with the Kia Carens, which also hasn't been officially tested by Global NCAP or Bharat NCAP. Still, Hyundai has equipped the Alcazar with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and ADAS driver assistance, ensuring a safe and confident drive. Positives: premium features and interior comfort, smooth and efficient engines, excellent value compared to rivals, and a balanced design perfect for urban families. Negatives: engines feel slightly underpowered for enthusiasts, and the third row is more suitable for kids or short journeys. So, what would you pick for your family? The stylish Hyundai Alcazar, the rugged Tata Safari, or the premium Toyota Innova Hycross? Share your choice in the comments below. I'll be checking them all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because next we're bringing you the Alcazar versus Innova Hycross 2025 comparison. And trust me, you won't want to miss that one. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary depending on your state, insurance, and GST update.